Hey moun mwen yo, se ka fet koman nou ye. Jodi ala m pa ka pale fort paske mwen nan cham li ya la, janou ka we, sa se closet li ya ki dem nan la. So mwen nan cham li ya, kote ke video jodi a se yon point liye, m bral serre soulye li yo, et puis m bral pran pose ke m pa konen ki kote soulye yo ye, ok? Ba m moutre nou, m pa konen si nou ka we bien. Ba m moutre nou, ok? Sa se soulye li yo. Ok? Ça c'est tout soulier là, il y a quelques dem nan là et nous ka wè gon sachet là qui nan coin. On avance caméra puis près pour nous ka wè. Donc sachet ça c'est quelques souliers que moi-même moi getan ça c'est quelques souliers que moi getan serré et mes restes souliers là m'getan mettre quelques souliers dans sachet et puis mais il y a reste souliers là, j'en ka wè. Ça c'est reste souliers là qui là. Donc, qui ça m'bral fait? Qui ça m'bral fait là? M'bral mettre souliers dans un sachet et puis m'bral serrer souliers. On nous suivre ensemble avec moi qui pral mettre souliers dans un sachet. OK? Moi j'ai un sachet ça là. Je vais commencer à mettre souliers là. Commencer à mettre souliers là. Ça c'est tout soulier yo, soulier que la l'église, soulier que la l'école. Il y a des sandales là dedans tout. Ça c'est pas même pas fin près ou même non. Bien que il y a un sachet déjà m'te getan serré. Tête. OK? Par contre, nous ka ouais. Donc ça c'est sachet que me fait. Ça c'est sachet que me fait mettre ça qui est ce capet là là. OK, ça c'est un sachet. Ça c'est le petit sachet que me déguetant. Veni. Si sachet ça lui même déguetant mettez avant. Déguetant mettez ça dans sachet avant. Et puis ça sont gros sac sachet. Donc j'en ai ouais, nous mettez ensemble. Donc qui ça m'bral fait? Qui ça m'bral fait? M'bral serrer deux sachets ça yo. OK? M'pa tellement parler fort parce que li tout près li en bas. Donc li en bas moi en l'air dans chambre li. Donc m'bral serrer soulier yo, m'bral serrer tout. Et puis m'bral relel. M'bral relel et puis m'bral prend pause que m'pa konn côté soulier yo fait m'bral mandel pour soulier yo côté soulier yo parce que mais la vide, je nous capable ouais non. Je nous capable ouais là, pas qu'un soulier là encore. OK? OK? Ni vide. Donc m'bral relel m'bral mandel côté soulier yo parce que m'pa ouais soulier yo. Il besoin soulier pour aller l'école, il besoin pour aller l'église, il besoin soulier. Donc m'bral ouais qui réaction, moi espérer qu'il pas crier, moi espérer que il pas trop peur. Donc m'a tourné ba mal relel. Leah.
Yes?
Look at this. Where are your shoes?
I don't know.
When you were at school, I was downstairs. I came here and I didn't find any of them. So I was wondering, where are they?
I don't know.
So
They can't just get up and walk away.
I know, that's why I'm asking you because that's your room and there are your shoes. So I don't know. So what are we gonna do?
I don't know. I had a lot of shoes.
I know you had a lot of shoes, but do you see any? I don't see any.
What happened?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you. I don't know what happened. I don't know. That's why I'm asking you because there are your shoes and they were on your room don't think so. I didn't touch them. Okay, I didn't touch them. And this morning when I woke up, I saw them.
Yeah, me too.
Before you left for school, I saw them.
Yeah.
So I don't know what happened. I don't know. So what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
So you don't have any shoes to go to school now. You don't have any shoes to go to church.
We could have hidden those light up shoes. So I would at least have some.
I don't know. There's nothing here. As you can see, it's empty. All empty. No shoes. That's weird. What is it gonna be? Maybe you should look in your room. I don't know.
Something strange going on in this house.
Looks like it. But I cannot figure out what. I don't know. That's why when I didn't see them, I was like, where are they? Maybe Leah moved them?
I never touched my shoes.
And then I was like, oh, I have to ask her. So no shoes.
If we find them tomorrow, if we find them today, tomorrow, we have to look a close eye on them.
But I don't see how we're gonna find them, and I don't even see where. I don't know where to start looking. I don't even know where to start.
Yeah, there's so many rooms and up and downs in this house. Who took them? There's no one else that has the key.
No one. And there are so many of them. So no school tomorrow because no shoes.
Except those rainbow.
Yeah, but you cannot wear them every day. Can you?
Well, we might find them before every day.
Then where?
Can't look to like all of the house, right?
Okay, good look. I don't know. But I don't think they're gonna be downstairs.
And there was nobody in the house.
Only me was here.
Then I don't know.
But I didn't touch them.
Yeah.
I was downstairs. I wasn't even upstairs. So I can't even explain what is happening right now. I don't know what happened. I don't know what is happening in this house. I don't know nothing.
Hey,
Nothing.
Mom, I have an idea. So we hide somewhere nothing could see us, and we watch, because maybe they want some clothes. Or maybe we could get the shoes and and watch out of our hiding place to see if anything.
Guys, I can't give it anymore. That was a prank. Come say hi. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. I got you. When you were at school, I took all of your shoes. I took them. And I was like, I'm gonna see what you're gonna do. Like I thought you were gonna cry. But you didn't cry. I'm gonna go get your shoes. I got you.
So that's why I didn't know.
Yeah. all of your shoes are here.
That would take a long time to put them all back.
Yep, now we're gonna have to work together to fix them again. Mwen se li a tapal kriye, donc li pa kriye. Donc, point clan, rive sou li a, mais li pa émotionnel à propos de point clan, et que li pa kriye, m'bat kake bon kon, m'de karete pour plus temps, mais m'bat kake bon kon. Donc, guys, j'aime dire nou, merci parce que tu as regardé la vidéo, abonnez ensemble avec channel là, et puis, bye bye!